In this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem with your USB, where you can't see the size available, and every time you try to open it, this error appears. This happens because it doesn't have an assigned volume yet, so we are going to do that now. Let's go! To assign a volume, we're going to right-click the Windows logo, select Disk Management, and you can see here that we have our disk represented with these stripes. Make sure to select the right one. In my case, it's disk 3. This black line over the USB means it doesn't have a volume. So just right-click it and select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next again. Here you can select the letter that you want to assign to your USB. In my case, I want to use the letter G and click Next. Here you can select the file system or format, NTFS or FAT32. It is completely up to you. I prefer to use FAT32 for small size files on my USB. You can also name your USB, so just click here and name it. I'm gonna name it Dog and click Next. Click Finish and just wait a second. And now the black line turned blue, which means our USB now has a volume. And if we check our USB now, it has only one partition and full size, baby. We can open it and everything works normal. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. I need the subs, homie. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye.